Hey, what's up everybody? Here Ivan gonna do this quick video on Layaway on my training site. Let me show you how it works and everything. Just go right here to your browser. It's CPA dash PayperCall.com. So let me show you how it works and everything, the layaway plan. If you want free software from Facebook, just put your details. But yeah, take time to check my site. I've been earning a lot of money online. ClickBank, CPA, Lead, ClickBank, PayperCall, and all this other good stuff online. Videos, I have video explainers. So let me show how it works on the layaway plan for those people that don't have the funds for 500. Right here is the new payment plan added. Contact us for more details. So yeah, just give $100 as initial, and I will give you like a layaway plan. Like you won't have access to my training site until you pay the full amount, but I will still give you like softwares and training courses that I'll be learning on the long run on CPA. The same right here on PayperCall, ClickBank, right here on this. On this one, I already closed it since I'm working on a new project right now. But inbox me or something, contact it. Let me know if you're interested in this. So I might reserve your spot or something. This is for reserving your spot. $100. If you want to join this one, it's $300. This one, $500, $700 to reserve your spot. Because usually I can't close my site since I'm moving on big projects with my business partners. Awesome. Besides, I don't want my ninja traffic strategy to saturate online, so it will work for me and you guys too, my students, loyal students and everything. But yeah, let me know if you're interested in this one, because I already closed it. Because right now I'm being busy on new projects. I don't have time for the one-on-one live training and done for your campaigns and everything. So let me know if you're interested on this one. But I already closed this site. I already closed this one, but this one is still open if you want to learn. Yeah, I still have spots available. Usually what I do on this one is like one-on-one live, my personal live coaching. So you will get the more so you will get more faster. The PayperCall, SEO, ClickBank. I will do done for your campaign setup and everything. So yeah, but if you're in the layaway on this, I'm just gonna give you courses from Black Hat that I've been learning on the long run, the ones that work. You can join this site, but they have a lot of courses that you're gonna be overloaded information like me. I already saw like hundreds. I already saw hundreds, and some of them aren't even worth watching them. It's all PowerPoint. They don't even show you nothing. It's all about talking. They don't even show you how to drive a campaign. Nothing. Just worthless. Waste of time. That's what I'm busy. Sorry. It's cheap, the membership, but it's gonna take you time to see the videos that are working. Like this one, sign up. This one is like $100, I think. But it's gonna take you a lot of time to learn all the traffic. If you want to learn about traffic, man, it's all about talking like Tai Lopez. So that's what that's what he does. He talks and talks about books, he doesn't really show you how to do it on live and nothing. How he makes it, how he made it happen and nothing. So this is 25. You want it, it's cool. But I will show you the ones that work, like CPA, marketing. There's a lot right here. PayPerCall, they have a lot too, but people don't know. Like this one. They have this one. This one's good, I heard. This one, they have a lot of CPA. So I just saw this one. I'm like, but yeah, I'm into CPA. County Lock is the best on CPA. But if you wanna, cool, I'll give you a tip right here. If you wanna buy this one, but you're gonna be wasting a lot of time. The price is cheap. It's very cheap to join this program, but that time consuming is like 10 hours for a course or more in every course. So I already know, I already do my due diligence on the ones that work. So, cool, you want to test it, pay $100, but it's going to take you a lot of time to learn my tricks. On this one, softwares. The ones that work for me, Google Apps, they have everything right here. If you want to learn about softwares, I will let you know the ones that are working for me, like, which one's working for me a lot? Ninja Blaster, a couple, not all of them. So you gotta do your trials and errors, the ones that are working for you. The ones that are working for niche. So this is an option if you want. I know a lot of people don't like they don't like software, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. For me, it works. I've been driving a lot of traffic since, I don't know, 2012, 13 on autopilot. But a lot of people, I understand, they like to engage and everything, so this is for you, maybe. So yeah, but usually I just make this quick video on this, the layaway. If you want to join this one, it's $100, and then you can pay me, I don't know, until you pay the 500, I will give you access to this, and besides reserving your spot. I'm gonna keep you on the my people are gonna know you that you've been paying on this and that, and until you pay the 500, you'll get access to this. So I hope that makes sense. And this one, the same. This one is 300 to the initial payment, and this one 500 if you qualify. And this one's 700 if you qualify, because I don't have time to do the one-on-one training right now. But yeah, maybe I will give you a chance, so you can. But yeah, you should be looking for action takers on this niche online, because usually a lot of people been telling me, hey, I want to learn, but they don't take action. So I want action takers that are willing to follow my lead and everything, so I can instruct you to follow you to the right direction and everything, so you can make it happen. Don't just see my course and don't take action. I've been seeing a lot of people, hey, just see my course. And I will do it tomorrow. They will watch Netflix better. So yeah, just take action and sky's the limit. Alright, people. I just made this quick video on how I can be accepting this payments on this one. It's gonna be cash. the Cash App, and Bitcoin, Coinbase for layaway. So if you're interested, let me know so I can send you my username on Cash App and my Bitcoin address. So we can arrange the payment methods, the payment plan, and everything every month. All right. Until you pay the full price, I just want to let you know, understand that you gotta pay the full price in order to get access to my course. I will still teach you everything right here. Give you the best training course right here that I have on my WordPress, on my Word Tools, and some softwares. If you're into softwares, that's optional. But let me know. All right. Message me, and I will try to get back to you right away. All right. Thanks for watching this video. See you. Bye.